My clients knew from the beginning it was going to have to be a major gut job. It was an original house that some aspects of the house hadn't been touched since like the 1930s, but then the previous owners came in and put a real good 80s touch on it, and it was bad. They knew we had to do a lot of work on it, so we wanted to make sure we kept the integrity of the home. No one really kept the bones, but updated it. The kitchen was probably the most fun to do. The before shots, I mean, it was crazy. It had red and these angled ceilings, so we couldn't wait to get into it and just demo that kitchen. We knew we wanted to do brass and keep it crisp and white also, but we then brought in the beautiful brown wood that we have, the wood veneer, and did these stunning slabs. It was probably the highlight of the house, and having this huge brass hood vent that really was the center of the kitchen. My client cooks a ton. She loves cooking. So having an area to house all of her cookbooks was important also. So we have a whole wall in the back of the kitchen just filled with cookbooks. The living room, there really wasn't too much to do there. We really just needed to clean it up. They entertain a ton, so it was about furnishing it in a way that allowed for an extra sitting room. We painted, obviously, redid the floors, changed out the marble in the mantle. And then it was just about creating a really elegant but cozy area for people to come and sit and just talk and hang out when you're having a party. I love this room. My clients come here all the time. It's so bright and so sunny. We just painted out the built-in units. They were existing. We added some amazing hardware to them. We have this stunning fireplace over here that the previous clients actually flew in from Paris. And that was an important piece to really make sure that we elevated it and let the room be quiet but still beautiful and work with that fireplace. They're here all the time using it, which is so nice to actually have, like, they have wood inside the cabinets, and the whole family just gathers here. Like, they'll sit and just have their coffee and come hang out. We really wanted to make that blue room feel like super, super cozy. And it's a huge space, so we had a lot of room to work with. We painted out the built-in units and redid the floors. In terms of furnishings, we went to Montauk and got this unbelievable, cozy sofa. My client loves navy, so we just thought it was nice to continue the color throughout the home. And why not go bold and a bit deeper, make it a bit cozier? The dog is amazing. He's this little replica of their actual dog, made fully out of Lego. He weighs about 40 pounds, and he's just the cutest little thing. He just sits there, and you actually sometimes think that he is a real dog. He was a gift for Mother's Day for my client, and just the perfect addition to that room. It just makes it a bit more fun and light. My clients are art collectors. They love art. They go traveling to go purchase art. It's a real passion for them. So it was important that we kept the walls crisp and white, sort of like a gallery. So it just had that gallery feel to it. Working with someone who has beautiful taste and has amazing artwork that they want to display, it's a dream come true for a designer. This home was actually featured in the 1934 issue of Canadian Home and Garden. It just made it extra special, and then now to be able to feature it again in House and Home, I mean, it's just a really cool 360. It's so cool to look at the photos because you can see the original staircase, which we really only changed the spindles and we painted it out. We can see the original mantle in the living room. Again, we just changed out the marble and painted it out. And then you can also see upstairs in the real cozy family room. They have the original mantle in there also, which they built on. They added millwork onto it, but the mantle's still there, so it's really cool.